Alright, suppose you're asked to graph a quadratic function from the equation. 3 points will give you a pretty good rough estimation graph to look at. You need to know its vertex, you need to know its y-intercept, and if you understand the concept of a parabola and how every point except the vertex has a mirror point, then you can find the y-intercept's mirror point on the graph, and it will give you 3 points to give you a general idea of its shape and so forth. My equation is y equals x squared plus 4x minus 4. I notice that my a value is a positive 1, so by the time I'm finished graphing this function, I should have an upward opening parabola. If I don't, then I've clearly done something wrong. To find the vertex is the one that's going to require the most work. I need to know the x and y value of its minimum point. Looking at x squared plus 4x minus 4, y is by itself, so I can start by using the formula to find the axis of symmetry. X equals negative b divided by 2a. B for this one is a positive 4, and a is a positive 1. That gives me negative 4 over positive 2, which gives me negative 2. So I found the x value of the vertex. It's located at negative 2. Next up, to find the y, I've got to go back to the original equation, plug in my newfound x, which was negative 2, and simplify. Negative 2 to the second power is a positive 4. 4 times a negative 2 is a negative 8, and then minus 4. 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Minus 4 more would give me negative 8. So the vertex is going to be located at negative 2, negative 8. I'm going to draw a rough sketch of a graph here so we can kind of see that. Negative 2, negative 8 would be 2 to the left and 8 down. Right here. Now I need to find the y-intercept. There's really no mathematics to be done here, you just have to know what you're looking for. The y-intercept is your c value in the equation, the number at the back without the x. So the y-intercept is going to be located at 0, negative 4, because our c value is negative 4. That's down the y-axis at 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you can imagine the axis of symmetry going right through our vertex, the y-intercept is going to have a mirror point on the other side, the exact same distance away that the y-intercept itself is. The y-intercept is 2 spaces away to its right, so there's going to be its mirror point 2 spaces away to its left. That would be the point negative 4, negative 4. And this gives me a pretty general idea of what the parabola looks like. I said at the beginning that it should have been an upward opening parabola because my a value was positive, and that's exactly what I ended up with. The most common mistake I see students make here is they mirror the wrong point. They try to mirror the vertex on the other side of the y-intercept. The vertex is the only point on the parabola that doesn't have a mirror, so it's this one that needs to be mirrored on the other side.